Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own heater propagator. I've got a video before showing you how to make one, physically making the frame and covering it and things like that. But this is a lot easier way of doing it, and you end up with a pretty decent sized propagator. This will fit 2 lots of trays in, as you can see. Each one of them cells is 40 cells. So you get 80 plants in there, seedlings, cuttings, whichever you want. Nice vents on the top. And this is a gravel tray, so any water that goes in there is not going to come out, so you can actually use a cheaper heat mat. This is ones that they use for vivariums, like lizards, snakes, that sort of thing. As you can see, it's got a European plug on, but easy to snip off that. I've got an adapter that I'll plug in. But yeah, all together this cost me £30.50, and that's for everything, which I think is really good. As we come round, show you here, this is what I use, a thermostat. Plug your adapter in there, and then from there you get, as you can see there, an adapter with 4 in there. I can fit 4 different heat mats in there, and this has a sensor on it, which I shall show you here. That sensor indicates what temperature it's at, as you can see there. Just holding on to the end of that, look at it going up there. I'll plug that back in. Just have a look at the top here. This is ones that I made a couple of years ago. These have been really good because they've got extra height in them, so I can grow taller plants, and they've got that extra space, which makes a big difference when you're taking cuttings or growing plants, because like these dahlias grow quite tall, so it gives them plenty of room there. But yeah, these have worked out really well. I've got 2 heat mats in here with a thermostatically controlled, exactly the same. As you can see, everything absolutely loves growing in there. Spin back round. But this one, this is tall enough. As you can see here, that's my hand, so good few inches there. And it's nice that it's not rounded off at the corners. I'd have preferred it to be square actually, but it'll do. And just 1 heat mat will be fine for this. All you need to do with that is just place it underneath, like so. Position it probably in the middle, and you want to get your thermostat, plug that into one of your trays of compost, and then that'll tell you what temperature it's at, and it'll click on and off within within 1 degree. But this has got a couple of vents on top, so when everything is growing, you can open the vents up and stop it from getting too hot. Like I said, this will fit 80 in there, which is great. I think these are on offer at the moment. I think the lids are on offer, and these gravel trays are on offer, so that would be a great time to get them now. Like I said, they do deliver Wilco's. But yeah, I bought 5 of these and 5 of these, because I've got that many seedlings coming on that I'm going to need these 2. As you can see, nice thick strong tray. Just really good quality all round, and for £30.50, I'd rather do that than buy one. If you want to buy one exactly the same, it's going to cost between probably £70 and £100 to get one with the same sort of stuff on. They say, oh, it's got thermostatically controlled, but it's not digital, so you just have to guess with it. But this one isn't. You really do have thermostatically controlled. If you come round, like I said, within 0.1 of a degree, so that is perfect. So yeah, if you've got any questions about how to make propagators, how to build them, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe, everybody, and thank you for watching. Thank you, bye.